Welcome to the PocketCodr alarm tutorial. Make sure the smart sensor is mounted in the holder and the target is positioned correctly. The sensor is connected to the PocketCodr through a cable. Open the PocketCodr app and view the main interface, including the sensor info, live data graph, widgets, and internal sensor signals. The smart sensor is set to detect the gear teeth and to count the number of teeth that were detected. Turn the gear to start collecting data. Now we will set up an alarm if the counter value goes above a specific threshold. Proceed by opening the Alarm 1 widget and activating it. And select the monitored signal as the counter. Set the alarm threshold to 100. Display now the counter value by going into the counter widget. Turn the gear to trigger the alarm and watch as the alarm activates, lighting up the connected lamp. Congratulations! You successfully set the alarm on your smart sensor.